This Moroccan-style shakshuka is the perfect breakfast or brunch meal and comes together in just 30 minutes. So we'll start with some olive oil and whole cumin seeds in our saucepan, and I love using whole cumin seeds because I feel like they add that pop of flavor throughout the entire sauce. But if you don't have whole cumin seeds, feel free to just add ground cumin later on when we add our spices. So we'll toast these seeds over medium heat in the oil just for a few minutes until they're fragrant, and then add our diced onion. And the goal with this onion is just to get it a little bit softened, and once it starts to become translucent, we are ready to go ahead and add our minced garlic. And same thing with the garlic, we're just going to saute it for about a minute or two until it becomes fragrant and you can really smell that garlic smell. And at this point, we're ready to start building our sauce. So we'll add our roasted red bell peppers, where they're chopped just roughly, and then our crushed tomatoes, our minced parsley, minced cilantro, and our spices. So I'm using black pepper, salt, and ras el hanout, which is a Moroccan spice blend. And again, if you are using ground cumin, now would be the time to add this. We'll mix everything together just to get it evenly combined, bring it to a simmer before lowering and covering and letting it just hang out on low for about 20 minutes. Now, while this is simmering, we're gonna go ahead and prep our bread. I love to do like a crusty piece of bread with this dish. And then we're gonna crack our eggs into ramekins. This just helps to prevent any of the eggshells from making it into our shakshuka. And from here, we'll just create little wells in our sauce with a spoon and add the eggs directly into those wells. And we'll cover this and continue to simmer over medium-low until the eggs are cooked to your desired doneness. Now, I like a runny egg yolk, so I went ahead and left them a little bit underdone, but if you like them fully cooked through, feel free to do that. I like to top with additional minced herbs, some feta cheese, and of course, lots of crusty bread.